Hello, it's Christian with Onyx. Siri is the digital assistant built into Apple products. To talk to Siri, on an iPhone 8 and below, press and hold the Home button. On an iPhone 10 and above, press and hold the Lock button. You can turn on a feature called Hey Siri, which will activate her just by saying Hey Siri. Here are some of the most common ways to use Siri. She can send messages for you. Hey Siri, tell John Smith thank you.
Your message to John Smith says thank you. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
She can make calls. Hey Siri, call John Smith.
Calling John Smith. Home.
She can set reminders. Hey Siri, remind me to call John Smith at 10 a.m.
Okay, I added call John Smith to your reminders for today at 10 a.m.
She can also set reminders based on location. Hey Siri, when I leave here, remind me to take my computer.
Okay, I'll remind you about take my computer when you leave the location.
She can help find photos. Hey Siri, find pictures I've taken recently. She also works with your HomeKit devices. Hey Siri, turn off the living lights.
Sending your request. Done.
This is just scratching the surface, and we'll explore more of what Siri can do in other videos. Thanks, and have a great day.